We're not in the game of making a profit. That's not what universities are here to do. But we still need to be financially sustainable in the future. What we also want to do is to use our income streams to allow us to invest in the future, to invest in new buildings or new facilities or residences for students. But what we have to do is to really accurately predict how many students are going to join the university. Because once we've done that, then we know how much resource we need to teach those students, how much space we need to host them in lecture theatres, how we manage their timetable. And if we don't do that accurately and reliably, we might overestimate some of those things and that we now can't afford because we've not accurately predicted our student numbers.
Previously, we'd been reliant upon an Excel model, which had just become too big, unwieldy, single person reliance, and basically it meant that it could take weeks for somebody to get an answer to what should be a relatively simple question. We can now spend our time thinking about strategy instead of thinking about single numbers. Barrachd very quickly understood what is a highly complicated arena of higher education funding, and that it would have to be an iterative process between Barrachd and ourselves to arrive at the tailor-made final product.
Now people can sit in their department, can look at their data and can do some scenarios. So we want them to take their data and say, what if my intake changed by this much? What will that do to my cohort of students, to my income and to my staffing activity ultimately?
And as a result of that, I think that people have a lot more confidence in the numbers that they're seeing as well.